this afternoon I got a present from my husband, and I will open it with you here on the channel. I know what it is. It's a bag. Wonderful, wonderful bag. A mini Kanken clay. I was uncertain if I wanted to buy the color fog or clay, and then I did choose the clay because I like it more. Hello, mini Kånken. Hello. Beautiful. I love it. Then I will do another video when I put all my things inside it. Very nice. I love it. Love it. It's the smallest version of the Kanken. But oh, here I will put so many things in here anyway. A little zip pad. Beautiful, beautiful. Hello world. I'm a Kånken mini. Well, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.